You hear it left and right, collagen here, collagen there. Most of it is actually hype. Some people might say scam. Ladies and gentlemen, if you take collagen peptides or collagen as a supplement, you need to watch this video. Let's get straight into it. And it might even contain some very toxic chemicals, so I need to talk about that. I want to tell you exactly how you can actually take advantage of collagen peptides, which, yes, it is a beautiful thing if done correctly. But also I need to let you know why most people are either taking it wrong or taking the wrong stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, those glowing influencers out there with their perfect skin, right? I mean, many of those are promoting collagen peptides. These influencer review promising wrinkle-free skin and bulletproof joints in weeks, right? Like as if it's a wonder. A lot of it is a straight up marketing BS. The margins on collagen as a supplement are huge. Here's the crazy part. There is actually real science-backed benefits, and if you do it right, you can get these benefits. I want to reveal to you the exact step-by-step protocol that gets you those proposed and real benefits without any hype, without the risks, and without the rip-off prices, which it makes me angry, ladies and gentlemen. You will not want to miss this. Look, scroll through any health feed, and collagen is everywhere, literally everywhere. Drink this, reverse aging, this and that, fix your knee problems overnight. Here's the ugly truth, ladies and gentlemen. Most collagen peptides get broken down into amino acids inside your gut. Your body doesn't absorb collagen and magically sends it straight into your face, even though that's exactly what we would like to be, right? But it's not. Studies actually show for many of those heavy metal contamination. This is very, very common. Non-tested third-party lab supplement kind of products. Clean label project tested dozens. Many had detectable lead, arsenic, cadmium from the animal bones and the skin, right? Consumer reports has flagged similar issues in protein powders too, right? So always go for third-party lab testing if you're not eating the whole food, but we are getting to that. The evidence is quite mixed. Many studies are small or industry funded. Of course, if you are looking into a study and it's not a proper randomized controlled study, and then it's also funded by someone in that industry, let's look at the real science, ladies and gentlemen. Multiple meta-analysis of randomized controlled trials, over 20 randomized controlled trials in some reviews, plus recent umbrella reviews of 113 trials combined together in a meta-analysis, found that hydrolyzed collagen peptides around 2.5 to 10 grams a day for 8 to 12 weeks can modestly improve skin hydration, yes, and elasticity. Some studies also show help with joint pain and osteoarthritis, yes. You do not need fancy powders, expensive powders with crazy margins for those promoting it, right? Maybe I will be promoting one in the future, yes, but it's going to be third-party lab tested, highest quality, and not crazy margins behind. But you do not need these fancy powders per se to get these benefits. Your body makes collagen from specific amino acids like glycine, proline, hydroxyproline, plus vitamin C to put it all together. So here's the exact protocol I personally would recommend. Prioritize always real food first. Before supplements, always real food. The richest natural source is bone broth. Simmer bones, connective tissue for 12 to 24 hours. In fact, I made a video how to make the bone broth. 1 to 2 cups daily, beautiful. Chicken skin, fish skin, pork rinds, oxtail, brisket, any kind of meat with a lot of connective tissue. Gelatin from grass-fed sources, of course, works very great too. Paired with vitamin C rich foods like whatever, bell pepper, strawberries, blueberries. Kiwi is amazing. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, I have one just here by my side right now. Kiwi is by far the best fruit in the world. If you want to supplement Choose 5 to 10 grams of high quality third-party lab tested hydrolyzed collagen daily. Mix it with 50 to 100 milligrams of vitamin C in a glass or orange juice. Take it consistently for at least 8 to 12 weeks and then you can get some benefit. Don't expect miracles. Combined with good sleep, protein-rich diet and sun protection, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, not the biggest fan of sun protection, but if you use, for example, if you have sensitive skin, a lot of sun, you can use some zinc oxide and stuff. That is beautiful. And what you can then actually realistically expect is, number one, smoother, hydrated skin with better elasticity over a couple of months. Possibly less joint pain, less discomfort, not Botox level results or something, right? But sustainable support from the inside out. There you go, no more wasting on crazy expensive products. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you think about that. Subscribe to the channel right here and watch this very important video right there. And as always, guys, bye.